Hi student, that is mathematics 8th class. We are proceeding to exercise 2.3 of chapter 2. Let us take first question. Express number in scientific notation. Express in scientific notation. So we are taking first number 8, 9 with zeros 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are given 9 zeros. So students, that is the form of in exponential forms. So we are getting usual forms. So we convert into scientific notations. Let us see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 89 convert into 10 raised to power 9. Also we notation with point 1 we are divide and multiply by 10. We get 8.9 into 10 raised to power 9 plus 1, that is 10. This is the scientific notation. In scientific notation, students, look here, only first digits, first number digits here and then decimal here. So this is the scientific forms. We are taking question number 2. Express the following number in scientific notation. So 4.34 into 10 raised to power 6. Express in usual form, standards form. Convert into standard form. So students, convert into standard form. This write down 3, 4, 3, 4 and decimal places, that is 2, we get 100. And 10 raised to 6 write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cancelled out 2 zeros, we get 4, 3, 4 and 4 zeros. We get an answers. Student, look here. We are taking question number 3rd. Express the following number in exponential form. It is the same as question number 1st. We are taking speed of light. Three and zeros, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meter per second. So convert into scientific form, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. We write down 8 zeros here. So 10 raised to power 8. We get an answer. We are taking question number 4. Distance of the moon from the earth, that is 384,467 and 3 zeros meter. Convert into scientific form. Scientific form. So we are looking 384,467 0 zeros meter and also 384,467 into 10 raised to power 3 meter. Also write down 384,467 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 10 raised to power 3, 10 raised to power 5. So this write down 3.84467 into 10 raised to power 8 meter. We get an answers. At last we given some homework. Student, complete question number 1, second part, third part and fourth part. Question number 2, second part, third part and fourth part. Question number 3, second part, third part and question number 5 and question number 6. So student, I hope you try to best and try to questions these 11 questions. So I hope you are simplify easily and numbers write down in scientific form. If any problem, you contact me. Thanks a lot.